National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 11:30 p.m. At 10 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles northwest of Delaware Greece to 13 nautical miles west of Middle River, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Pools Island, Spassuti Island, Gunpowder River, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. At 9 p.m. in Philadelphia.